Imagine a world where buildings, bridges, and roads must withstand not only the test of time, but also the ever-increasing effects of climate change. How does the looming threat of global warming alter the landscape of construction and infrastructure? In the heart of the Netherlands, a country known for its innovative approach to water management and climate change adaptation, lies the city of Rotterdam. Here, a fascinating case study unfolds. The city experiences a unique set of challenges presented by its location below sea level. Due to climate change, sea levels are rising and the risk of flooding is becoming more prevalent. In response, Rotterdam's urban planners and architects have had to think outside the box. They have pioneered the construction of floating buildings and water plazas. These floating structures are designed to rise and fall with the water level, ensuring they remain unaffected by flooding. They are built with lightweight yet durable materials that can withstand the harsh conditions of a changing climate. The water plazas serve a dual purpose. During dry periods, they function as recreational spaces for the community. But when heavy rains come, these plazas transform into temporary water storage facilities, reducing the strain on the city's drainage system and preventing streets from flooding. This approach to construction and infrastructure is not just about survival. It's about thriving in a changing world. It's a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability in the face of climate change. But what does this mean for the future of construction and infrastructure globally? It means that architects, engineers, and urban planners must consider climate change in their designs. Buildings and infrastructure will need to be more resilient to extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and increased temperatures. It means that construction materials will need to evolve. The industry will need to find new sustainable materials that can withstand the effects of climate change while also reducing the sector's own carbon footprint. It means that the way we think about and approach construction and infrastructure must fundamentally change. We must move from a reactive stance, where we respond to the effects of climate change as they occur, to a proactive stance, where we anticipate these effects and design our infrastructure accordingly. In summary, the impact of climate change on construction and infrastructure is profound. As demonstrated by the case of Rotterdam, it necessitates innovative thinking and adaptive designs. It demands the use of resilient materials and a shift towards more sustainable practices. It requires a proactive approach to planning and building, where climate change is not an afterthought, but a central consideration. This is not just a challenge, it's an opportunity to reimagine our built environment, to make it more resilient, more sustainable, and better suited to the world of tomorrow. Because after all, the future is not something that just happens to us. It's something we build.